Okay, this is Ability Uganda e-learning. My name is Nelson Bitiswamba, and today's video we are going to look at the difference of sets. We are going to look at the difference of sets. We simply mean complement. In our last video, I was able to explain more about what you call a complement of a set. So here we are going to handle it into detail, step by step. Please be attentive such that you can be able to understand this and make use of it, such that you can be able to solve numbers concerning complement, because this is where most of our learners get challenges, and they say they give you a set of numbers of items, and they tell you maybe if this was set A, set B, this might set B minus this, when they are just numbers or they are letters, where someone gets a challenge. So that is under the difference of sets or complements. Let's get started and we see how these sets are. Alright, so here we are having the difference of sets or stock complements, that when we are dealing with difference of sets or complements, we are simply meaning if you have been given a set, let me assume if you have been given a set, okay, if you have been given a set, let me give an example here. If you have been given a set, let me get a pen here. Okay, let me get this pen. If you have been given a set of this kind, okay, you have been given a set of this kind, I'm trying to show you how we are going to look at the difference of these sets. Okay, assuming this is our set, let's look at here. We see, assuming this is our set R and this is going to be our set S. Okay, our set R and our set what? Our set S. This is going to be our R. Okay, this is going to be our S. Now we want to look at what we call the difference of what? A difference of sets, stock complements. Then here, what do we need to understand about this? We need to understand that when you are given a difference of sets, this you are simply meaning our R only, okay, R only, what? R only, which is the same as R what? R complement. And our S only, okay, our S only is also the same as what? Our S complement. This is also the same as, if we want to get our R only, that means we are going to say our R only minus S. Also, when we want to get our S only, then we are going to say our S minus our R. Okay, then you are going to say our S what? You are going to say, okay, let's remove this. Here we are going to say our S is equal to, our S is the same as S minus what? S minus R. Okay, it is not equal to, but S minus R. That's how we can identify this. As you have seen, they have given them here in this way, that our R and our S is the same as R minus S, S minus R. Then our S complement is the same as that S, then our R complement. So here you can see we have been given this. We have our set P is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, and our set Q is equal to a set of vowels, that is A, E, O, U. Then here they are giving us an example. Here they want us to find it. find this is Roman numeral 1, P minus Q. Okay, remember we have been just given these alphabets, but they want us to find our P minus Q. As we have been demonstrating them here, that when we want to get, if we have been given our numbers, okay, let me see. If we have been given our numbers, we have our set P and we have our set Q. Okay, so here we are able to say that if we have our set R and this, then we shall also be able to subtract. If you want P only, okay, P only, that means it is equal to P is equal to P minus what? P minus Q. If you want Q only, okay, if you want Q only, that means here we shall be able to say our Q is equal to the Q minus what? Minus P. That means we are getting also the what? The complement of these numbers. So let's look at how these people are able to get this, and we understand them very well. We are having our P with numbers. Okay, let me first rub this. Okay, we are having our numbers. Okay. We are having our numbers of this kind. We're having A, B, C, D, then A, E, O, U. Alright, so these are what? These are vowels. So this means when you say find P minus Q, what we have to do, we have to understand that P minus Q means set P what? P only. They want set P only. Okay, only this. When they talk about only, that means we are going to be having our set in this kind. Okay, we are going to be having our set in this kind. Remember we talked about what we call an intersection. Okay, then we also talked about the union of what? The union of sets. So that means we shall be able to identify the members which are common. Okay, that is number 1. For us to get P minus Q, it means P what? P only. Then we should be able to first identify the members which are common. Which members? We have A. Do we have B here? The answer is no. Do we have C here? The answer is no. Do we have D? No. We have E. Yes. E is there also. So we are trying to identify the numbers which are what? Which are common, and we put them aside. Okay. Then there we shall be able to get our P only. So we have identified the numbers that are common in our what? In our set. Then there are numbers that are remaining which are not part of this. They don't even resemble at all. So these numbers are, we have our B. Okay, so that means we are supposed to write now these members. If we have here, it should be our B here. Let me show you. Let me get another. Let me show you well. Let me show you very well. Okay, let me get an ink which is different. That means here, if we are to identify the numbers of P only, we are remaining with our B here. Okay, we are remaining with our B here. Let me first erase this. Okay, also this. Then I get my pen. Okay, we are having our B. Let me get a right pen. Okay, we are having our B here. Oh Jesus. So let me get a good pen here. Why is this disturbing me? Okay, so I was meaning that the members which are remaining, we have our B. Okay, we have a B, we have a C, we have a D and F. Okay, so these are members that are remaining in our set what? In our set P. So this is how we can identify the members that are in P only. Okay, so you can see that they were able to write B, C, D and F. They are the members that only belongs to P. They don't belong to our set Q. Then also when they talk about our Q minus P, they are also saying Q minus P simply mean Q only. That means if we have identified our members within here, then the members which are common, we leave them out. They are going to be intersection. Then we take those members which are left. Okay, so we can identify that these members which are left, which are going to be this one now. Okay, which is the Q, and this is the what? The P. So that means our Q, these members are going to be, we can see we have I, we have O, we have the U, which is the U. Alright, so in identifying this, you can see that we have these members which are remaining that are the same that we have been able to get here. So that is how we can get a difference of what? A difference of a set, and be able to identify and answer the question. When they say P minus Q, you know that that is a set. Be able to identify the common members. Then the members which are remaining, they are the members of P only, and the members which are remaining in Q are the members of Q only. Okay, so let's move ahead and see this. So also here we have another example now, which is given in this. They are saying we have been given our members here. We have set G. Okay, we have set G. Let me change this. Not looking nice. Let me change this. Let me change this. Okay, pen. Okay, I want the ink. Okay, I think I should use this. Okay, we have our set G, this, and we also have our set H with members. Okay, so now they want us, they have put the members inside, but they want us to answer the what? To answer the question that they will be asking. Okay, so this is how they always ask such a question. They want you to read the information within the Venn diagram and extract those members, or they want you to draw the Venn diagram when they have given you these members. Now look here, we are having our set G with G only, that is G minus H. We have 1, 2, 3. Then we also have the members that are in common, the intersection. We have our 5, we have a 6 and a 0. Then we also have 7, 8, 9, then 10. So these members inside here are the members that are shared. Remember, our set G passes from here up to here, it moves from here up to there. Then also our set H moves from here up to here. It also includes these members. That means these members are both shared by set G and set H. So they are the members of what? Of intersection. Then that means we should be knowing that when they say find what? Find our G minus H. That means we are able to get our G minus H, means G only. Then we should be able to select them. Okay, so here they were able to indicate this, which was not part, so this is supposed to be 3. Also g h minus this, the meaning g minus h minus g means h only, so you can see they're able to get out a 7 which is here, okay, a 8 which is also here, a 9 which is also here, okay, then a 10 which is also here. So you can see that we have been able now to see and to understand how this works. So there is also what we call an evaluation activity. We are also going to answer this question, both me and you. We shall be able to see how we answer this question that is given. They are saying, given that a is equal to this and this is equal to this, find a minus b, b minus a. That is the kind of questions that they do.